Yeah, yeah, yeah. How is beautiful area? How is beautiful in this area? Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is key part. And over there is a waterfall. You see how it's beautiful. How is beautiful area? Let's go explore together. It is a downstream. No people come here. No people come here. I just come here. How is beautiful? Wow. You see? Can I go more? Wow. No, I think it's not. It's not good. How is beautiful in this area? It in the fire inside the jungle. See the river, not river. But I don't know how to say in English. That it's a kind of flow between one mountain to mountain, between the mountain and mountain. It's kind of rivers, but it's not a river. Uh, you can tell me in English because I'm not English. I don't know very well in English, but just want to show you uh, how beautiful is it. So the weather right now is also cold. It's not hot. Uh, should I swim? Oh no. 19. But the water flow is a little bit strong, so I think it's not comfortable for swimming. But I will try. It's not deep. It's not deep. How scary is it now? I just try. Let's see. Woo. Deep this one. I will call my friend come here to come here. So I will go to call my friend to come here. But it looks like the water is coming through. That's strong than moment. But boys, if we go and call my friend come here, I think it will be okay. And, and you can come and to enjoy drinking it already. Cái nó lối à, nó núp lại coi xưa là nó núp lại coi hết lại ngồi tức xưa vậy. Phần đai kia chưa ăn mau đấy. Thì chết nó. Cái siêu sáng này của là. một tiết vì miền tivi coi lên ra được mò tao mất ăn coi cả tao mua được tao nắng coi cả còn đang tách chuông luôn cả nè cái này ha coi ba là này phải coi trống các bạn vì là nó này hay tách tách ăn sâu rồi hả hay biết check us out how can you man you take hard it over boss luôn Are glorious không phải trên tiên án đây nhiều nhà vào đó hello everyone let's see Chômទឹកខ្លាំងមួយទៀតទឹកខ្លាំង it is not very strong water flow but we can swim it we can swim but it's a beautiful area which we try to choose across that, but I'm not sure it will be. Oh, it's strong. The water is strong. I cannot go. You see? Look, the water flow is strong. So it's not. Bây giờ, sao đi chơi mày? Let's say something. Say something. Okay. Còn thon đấy. Không cái đấy chồng ơi chồng học lắm đó. Tật lẹ ôm luôn nơi chi phan Koh Kong xa tiền lý đâu Anh ấy ra đây đi. Say hello. Say hello. Say English. No, come on.
Welcome to Chipat Koh Kong. Beautiful waterfall. Welcome to Cambodia.
So my friend is he's my friend. Just want talking to him a little bit about the G part. Here is the G part water festivals at Koh Kong province, but it's beautiful. Beautiful. I will be. Can I go there? I want to go there. What it look like there? It look like the water flow is very smooth. So if I go there, they will bring me there. So it look like not. We got. I will ask my friend to ask another people. How's me dân đấy? Go there? Yeah. Go there? Wow. It looks like beautiful. Let me show you. Let's show you. How? I think at the camera it's not very beautiful, but for me I think the one of the drawing that's like not yet investment touching, and it's beautiful area. It's a beautiful drawing because in this drawing there are many natural resources, especially the forest, and because this province is so close to the ocean, and it how the ocean is a beautiful area, and most of people, not most of people, but in this area is we call Koh Kong province, and Koh Kong province is the one province close to ocean, and also a lot of natural resources, forest, fish, bird, animal. I think also have, because it looks like this province is still a lot of forest, a lot of jungle. I think this one is the one of the locations that for tourists, like attractive location for tourists. So, but the people is not come here. The people stay over there. They place at over there. At over there, it's not. They do not come here because mostly they want to play near or close to the water vessel. So that's why no one is coming. But this one is good for sitting, good for swimming, because the what is it? The rock inside of this water is like it's comfortable for swimming. But I think maybe some people know, but some people don't know about it. Cho mày cân mau anh. Yes, I want to say goodbye, and we will continue more. Yeah. I just say goodbye, and then we will come back. Let's see how beautiful in the water. Hello everyone. Kamu ada tahu dulu. Kamu kenapa mbak? Về sợ sao? Going back. Go home. Dạ lỡ. Go to home now, but let's see. Okay. May hả? Mà cho lót lót chẳng camera.
vô rồi. Cái kết lôi lại.
Cái tôi thích là tiền.
Lần đi ở đây tên là đi lỡ.
Con này. Cao bị ai?
Bên đằng trong mặt rồi nè. Mình đấy, mình copy lấy tận giờ về 5 นาที hết chết.
Nên là rong mà chết trong thang đang kia bọc không từng sật trong admin.
Giờ về 5 นาที kết thúc trong pron sắp thành nhà đấy thế.
Ăn chúc con tê tha nhưng gặp phải thắc kia bọc không kia.
Cái bằng không trong mong rất là rộng mình thấy.
Điểm xăm xăm mà. Điểm xăm. Điểm xăm mà. Ất xăm tăng bình bình mà ất xăm.
Cá nổi nước cà.
Hả?
Ngày nay cái ngày holiday cái miền cái ở Bắc Tang cái ăn sạch nhâm tràn hay tận nó cái miền này Bắc Tang sạch sẽ phải cái Bắc Tang Bắc Tang nó chưa sạch này khang lờ thật hay
Let's see the beautiful.
cái thật hay em spoil
This area is for camping. For camping.